Today we're gonna be making some salads and dips for tomorrow. Tomorrow's Cinco de Mayo. So I wanna share this with you because it's simple. I'm making 3 at one time because most of them takes the same ingredients. Actually, all of them, just lime and lemons and cilantro and culantro. And we're gonna make guacamole. I got an avocado and a half here that I wanna use. I'm gonna make a bean salad. You need 3 of this. Kidney beans, chickpeas, and those are the garbanzo beans, and black beans. The reason I haven't washed this is because I want to share this with you too. Just a little tip to make the vegetables to last longer. What I do, when I buy it, I just wrap it in a wet napkin and I cut a little bit of the end of it so it will fit in my bag. And then I put it there and I preserved it like really green. It's nothing bad there. That's why I haven't washed it, so you can see how I preserve it for a little longer. So we're gonna be needing salt. I got salt here, pepper, and olive oil, the extra virgin one. We're gonna be needing, I like the white onion for my guacamole. So I use the purple onion for the bean salad and for my pico de gallo. We're gonna make pico de gallo. That's the reason I got two onions. But if you only have one, use that one. Remember what I said. It's whatever you have. So I haven't washed this, but I did wash all of this. So I'm going to wash this. So I just put everything inside here and I take it to my drainer. Not necessary. People like it to use with the culantro, all of these salads, but I like it and it's so healthy for you, so good for you. So this is what I do. This is my cilantro and that's my culantro. So what I do is I wash it over there too. So here it is. Another tip I'm gonna show you. This is the way I cook. This is my kitchen, so I do whatever it works for me. This is the way I sharpen my knives. I grab one of this thing. This is a steak knife. So, and then you just sharpen it like this for cutting. I use 2 knives, this one and this massive one. This is my favorite one. So I do the same thing. And all done. Let me wipe it up a little bit. And don't cut your fingers up. Remember, I've been doing this for too long, so I love cooking. And little by little, you get your experience and you become better and better. Easier and easier, faster. How are we gonna do the culantro? I'll get rid of the culantro. I keep it the same way. The culantro, I keep it in the napkin and a damp, like a really wet napkin. See how pretty it is, colorful. I love that. In a small size. And if I need to sharpen my knife more, then I just grab my little steak knife. And I do have knife sharpeners. I just don't like it. That's the way I do. Everybody has their own ways, and whatever works for you, that's what you would do. And now I'm gonna chop my. Why is it so many tomatoes? These are Roman tomatoes. I didn't like the way the beef tomato look like. So I bought those. The Roman ones. Let's just clip the thing out. it. It's a way to do it. That's the way I do it. And then cut this way. This is gonna be for the pico de gallo. Everybody likes this. Except my husband. My husband doesn't eat this. They don't eat none of this stuff. My children, their girlfriends, and I. Like amazing. Okay, I'm gonna smash the avocado. So my tomatoes going. Avocado. So a little bit. What is this thing here? I don't know. Whatever. Let's take it out. It's good. And I don't know how my other avocado is gonna be. Just open it. It comes out right out. It's a good avocado. Let's pray. Voila, it's real. And so allow all of my fingers to. So a little bit. Oh, I don't want to knock everything out. So something has to happen. So it's so soft that it's just smashed right away. It's not like a big deal. Let's see if you can see. I'll just smash it a little bit. Ding, ding, ding. Claro. My gallo de pico. And my gallo de pico. My avocado. Here, because I'm just going to use these onions with my guacamole. Juice. Let me take this. Then we're gonna put a whole thing over here of cilantro, and then a little bit of culantro, and then we're gonna get one of this. We have to taste, because the thing is, if you like it with more lime, more lemon, then you just like and the salt. I like it with a lot of salt or whatever. Just pinch of it, or measure it. Some lemon, and I put a drizzle of olive oil. So a little bit, so it's just to be big from brownie. And now we're gonna get a pinch of salt, and then you taste it. If you need more salt, then you put more salt. If you need more of something, you just add into it. Just go around like this so everything mix it up. There you goes. And what you doing?
Hanging out.
Didn't want to help out mommy today? Didn't want to help out mommy? Couldn't. Playing. I'm gonna put a little more onions.
What we got
Here's
going?
the guacamole.
We got the guac.
Bobby, can you bring some chips so I can taste it?
We got the bean dip.
Bean salad, not bean dip. Guacamole is done. I think I'm gonna put a little more olive oil because there's too much guacamole and it might get bad if I don't put it. So a little more.
We don't got the scoops.
Can you give me some chips for this? I didn't know it was one specific. Alright, now before the are your hands not clean?
Yeah, I wash them when I came inside.
Well, don't knock my stuff out, please. This is what I go through.
Excuse me, ma'am.
So, here it is. Onion there. There we go with it. Cilantro. I want to see if it's the same equal amount. As much as you like. You don't have to put so much like I do. But you can put as much as you like. And then cilantro. And cilantro. Put more this way. Don't forget to take those over to the sink.
You don't put onion in the guacamole?
Well, you missed a recipe. I don't want to be confused. On video, they've been listening. I already talked about what I'm putting.
So you don't put guac in the guacamole?
That's so amazing. And then you just mix it. My bean salad. And my guac. In my pico de gallo. I haven't put the salt or anything, Bobby. Let me put one on this. This is so yummy. Did you taste the guac?
Yeah.
Ay! Of course. Delicioso. Then let's go lemon this way. Lemon that way. I'm gonna put pepper on my bean salad, a little bit of pepper. Not in my pico de gallo. And now we're going lime. Ooh, so hard. Lime here. Liming here. That's another thing. I don't like the lime squeezer either. Right. Olive oil, so it doesn't get bad. And olive oil, and the beans a little bit more. Drizzle it, and salt. So the only pepper I put is in here. Salt. Taste it. You don't have to put so much salt in that beans. So remember, all of this is for tomorrow. Salt is up to you. It's up to your taste. Push this over here. Gallo. And bean salad. And my guac. I need a tortilla to taste my stuff. And this is 3 in 1. Perfect. Don't double dip. And the pico de gallo. delicious.